Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. If you found yourself on my channel, I bet you're gonna be loving it here. In today's video, we are gonna be doing winter clothing selections. I live in a state where, in fact, it's one of the states that experiences winter in huge amounts. We experience winter even up to -10 degree. -10 degree Fahrenheit. I mean, it is taking winter clothing serious. I'm adding items to our winter gear, like the jacket, the socks, the gloves, the hats. Okay, look at this boot. This boot is warm. This is a boot for a 3-year-old girl. It has warm, I don't know what this is called, but it's laced with warmth. It's laced with stuff that can provide warmth, you know, for the feet. And it is awesome. There we go. This is it. This is it. I mean, in fact, we're gonna be kitting up. You don't want your kids to be cold. You don't want them to be exposed to cold. So you want to kit them up. Sometimes you don't even care about the price of, you know, these boots. You don't care how expensive they are. All you just want to do is keep your kids warm. During snow, keep them warm under -10 degree. Huge snow. So I got this for my baby girl and she's gonna love it. I bought this snow boot for my son. Oh boy, this is it. This is the boot for the weather. It's here. Winter is here. It's for my darling son. It is awesome to withstand any snow. Let me see that snow. It's right here. Awesome. We are adding more collections to our winter gear. So this one is for my son. For my daughter, see, because we usually the snow here, the snow we experience here is 1 in a million. It is huge snow. It is sometimes when we go out in the morning, you feel like not going out because you have piles of snow out there, and then it tends to like come into your nose. So I got this for my kids, kind of like they put it on and they kind of like cover their nose. Goes with this and this, like that. Yeah. So goes with this. So I'm a fashion matching mom. I usually love matching stuff for my kids. I also got this for myself. Abby, if you want to take care of someone, you have to be taken care of too. You have to take care of yourself too. So I got this for myself, you know. Awesome hat. I also got this for the head of the house. He is my bigger baby. I want to keep him warm as well. I also got some gloves. I usually love to match it, so like this. And then my daughter have like pink jackets they put on, so equation is balanced. I also got this also for my boy. He's in elementary, so they kind of like, you know, play outside during the snow. They want to like make snowballs, so I got him something that would you know, match the weather. I got him something that would just be great for him whenever they want to play with snowballs, you know, under the snow. I got him something as high up to the calf. Yeah, that's it. This is one of my favorite. I love this boot. I love it. I so much love this boots. Very sturdy. It's very sturdy right there, and it's all the way up, very, very awesome and amazing. I love it. It's for my son. Yeah, kind of like match it with, not so close, but then not bad. Not bad, right? I tried looking for something this type of glove, you know, this color, but I couldn't find. So but it's so close, right? Not bad, people. Not bad, everyone. I also got this one. for my husband. Yeah, this one needs to stay warm for all of us. Also got this pair for myself. I really don't like that heavy gloves. My husband preferred this type of glove, so yeah, I prefer this one, soft. So right here, soft, and you know, I just put in my fingers. That's it, keep me warm. Yeah. Oh. And I also got this one too for myself. I got this for myself. Mommy has to take care of mommy too. During winter, you want to make sure you have everything you need. Even if you don't have everything you need, the basic things you need, like the jacket, the gloves, the socks, the boots, you know, to keep yourself and your loved ones warm during this winter period. All right, everyone, I remain my humble self, Elizabeth. If you ever stumbled on my channel, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell to always receive notification to my latest video whenever I post them. Until we see again next time, bye. Winter is coming, get prepared.